For decades, the safest career strategy was simple: get a stable job and climb the ladder. But AI just changed the rules. AI doesn't target industries first, it targets predictable tasks. One employer, one role, one paycheck. The model is becoming fragile. The biggest financial risk today isn't job loss, it's income dependence. Companies are restructuring faster than most employees realize. Automation happens in layers. Tasks disappear, then roles shrink, then org charts change. Most professionals don't notice the shift until leverage has already changed. There are three factors now determining income security. The more repeatable your work is, the easier it is to automate. The closer your work is to decision making, the harder it is to remove. Roles tied directly to revenue are the most protected. And that's where the risk begins. The goal is to reduce how much your income depends on it. Smart professionals are no longer building careers, they're building income layers. And that shift is creating entirely new opportunities. In the next video, we'll break down the income categories that scale with AI instead of competing against it. AI corporate survival isn't about keeping your job. It's about making your job optional. Click on the icon to subscribe to the channel, and you'll be notified when the next video comes out. And if you're enjoying the content, leave a comment and give us a like.